Hello everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see the methods of valuation of goodwill. See, in the last class we have seen under that methods of valuation of goodwill, two methods we have seen. The first one is average profit method, or certain number of years of purchase of average profit, that is we have seen. And the next one is simple or weighted average profit method. Okay, so that is the two thing we have seen. One is simple average profit method and another one is weighted average profit method, and the third one is super profit method, and fourth one is capitalization method. So in this class we are going to see the super profit method and capitalization method. So first let us start with the super profit method. What does super profit means? That is the profit which has been earned by a company or a firm over and above the normal profit which has been earned by the other firms in the same business. So that is about a super profit. So in the same type of business, when other firms, what the profit they are earning, when comparing to that business, so if the business or firm is earning more than that, then that profit is called a super of profit. So it has been calculated by deducting certain things from the profit. What are the things? That is interest on capital, or that is interest should be at the market rate. And next one is reasonable salary to the proprietor or to the partners. When you deduct all those things, then remaining we have to take it as a profit. So the average profit of the firm is compared with the normal yield on the invested capital of the firm. So how it should be calculated? Normal yield, the capital with multiplied with normal rate of return. Then we can get the normal profit. Then this excess of the excess of average profit minus normal profit, then we will get a super profit. So how to calculate the goodwill? The goodwill equal to super profit multiplied with number of years of purchase which has been agreed according to the partners in the partnership deed, that is either 2 years or 3 years, or according to the partnership deed agreement. Okay. So how it should be calculated? Normal profit, that is equal to capital employed multiplied with normal rate of return. So super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. Goodwill equal to super profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. Let us see this with the problem. A firm earned net profit during the last 3 years as follows. First year 36,000, second year 40,000, third year 44,000. The capital investment of the firm is 1,20,000. A fair return on capital having regard to the risk involved is 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. So here 3 years profit they have given, the capital investment they are given, and the return, rate of return, fair return on capital employed also given. So we have to calculate certain things. First one is average profit. So how to calculate average expected profit? The average expected profit equal to 3 years profit divided by 3 years. So 36,000 plus 40,000 plus 44,000 divided by 3 years. So 1,20,000 divided by 3 years, that is equal to 40,000. So average expected profit is 40,000. Normal profit, capital employed multiplied with normal rate of return. Capital return, capital employed 1,20,000. Normal rate of return 10%, that is equal to 12,000. So super profit equal to average expected profit minus normal profit. Average expected profit 40,000. Normal profit 12,000. So balance 28,000 is a super profit. So goodwill equal to super profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. So super profit is 28,000 and 3 years is in the given problem. That is calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. That is 3 years. Therefore goodwill equal to 84,000. The next method is capitalization method. So this method is actually useful when the profit is less than the normal profit. So here the actual profit is divided by normal rate of profit which can be earned in that particular type of business in order to find out how much they have invested in the capital. So here this amount is compared with the net asset of a business in order to find out the value of goodwill. Okay, so this is about when the actual profit is less than the normal profit. In such a case, then we have to find out the capitalization method. Okay, how much capital is required? Capital is required for that. Like, okay, and let us see the problem. A firm earns 1,20,000 as its normal annual profit. The rate of normal profit being 10%. The assets of the firm amount to rupees 14,40,000 and liabilities 4,80,000. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalization method. So only certain things are available, that is the annual profit and then assets and liabilities of a business and normal rate of return. So we have to calculate the total capitalized value of the firm. So you know the formula, that is actual profit divided by normal rate of return. So what is the actual profit? 1,20,000. Normal rate of return 10%. When you divide this, you will get 12 lakhs. That is the capitalized value of a firm. Then net asset of the firm, you know the total asset and liabilities. When you minus this, total asset minus liability, you will get net asset. That is 14,40,000 minus 4,80,000. So that you will get net asset of the firm rupees 9,60,000. So goodwill equal to total capitalized value minus net asset. So capitalized value is 12 lakh. Net asset is 9,60,000. So goodwill equal to 2,40,000. So this is how you have to calculate the different, you have to calculate the goodwill under different methods. Okay. So and then in your next class, how it should be adjusted in partnership form at the time of admission of a partner, we are going to see it. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.